Imagine buying a brand new Netflix subscription, but your TV is so old that it doesn't even have Wi-Fi. No Netflix, no YouTube, no Disney Plus, no Prime Video. Does that mean you need to buy a new smart TV? Absolutely not. In fact, if your television was made within the last 15 to 20 years, there's a very good chance you can upgrade it in less than 10 minutes. And in many cases, it'll cost less than a family dinner. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to connect a non-smart TV to Wi-Fi. We'll compare the price, performance, ease of setup, and help you choose the best option for your budget. Plus, I'll also show you a few common mistakes that stop these devices from working, so you can avoid wasting your money. Let's get started. Before buying anything, let's make sure your TV is actually compatible. Look at the back or side of your television. Do you see an HDMI port? If yes, congratulations. That's all most people need. HDMI has been included on most HD TVs since around 2006. You might also notice a USB port. That port usually provides power for streaming devices, although some TVs don't supply enough power, which we'll talk about later. Some older TVs may also include an Ethernet port. That opens up another upgrade option we'll cover shortly. If your TV has HDMI, you're already in great shape. If you simply want YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Spotify, and hundreds of other apps, a streaming stick is by far the easiest solution. These small devices plug directly into your TV's HDMI port. Once connected, they join your home's Wi-Fi network and instantly transform your television into a smart TV. You'll get a modern interface, an app store, voice search, software updates, and thousands of streaming apps. Most also include a dedicated remote control, so you don't even need your phone. Popular choices include Roku streaming stick, Amazon Fire TV stick, Google TV streamer, and Chromecast with Google TV. Setup usually takes less than 10 minutes. Simply plug it into HDMI, connect power, choose your Wi-Fi, sign into your Google or Amazon account, and you're ready to stream. For most viewers, this is the solution I recommend. But what if you don't want to install another operating system on your TV? Or maybe you're traveling and only need to display your phone's screen. There's another option that's surprisingly useful. Instead of installing apps directly on the TV, you can display everything from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. This works using a wireless HDMI receiver. Once connected, your TV simply becomes a wireless display. Anything you see on your phone can appear on the big screen. Photos, videos, presentations, websites, even some games. This option is excellent for travel, hotels, classrooms, and business meetings. However, there are limitations. Since your phone does all the work, you'll usually experience slightly more delay compared to dedicated streaming devices. And unlike streaming sticks, you won't get a built-in app store or a TV remote. So if your goal is watching Netflix every day, a streaming stick is still the better investment. Some older televisions actually include a wired Ethernet connection, but no built-in Wi-Fi. If that's the case, don't worry. There's a clever solution. A small travel router can connect to your home's wireless network. Then pass that internet connection through an Ethernet cable into your TV. Think of it as a Wi-Fi translator. Your TV believes it's using a wired internet connection, even though it's actually connected wirelessly. This method works especially well for older smart TVs that lost Wi-Fi support or never included wireless networking in the first place. It's a slightly more advanced setup, but once configured, it works reliably. Many people assume all streaming devices perform the same. They don't. The actual speed depends on several factors: your Wi-Fi router, the wireless standard your device supports, signal strength, and even where the TV is placed. Newer premium streaming devices often support modern Wi-Fi technologies that provide faster downloads, smoother 4K playback, and fewer buffering issues. If your home already has fast internet, choosing a newer streaming device can make a noticeable difference. But remember, even the fastest streaming stick can't fix a weak Wi-Fi signal. Your router placement still matters. Here's where many setups fail. Mistake number 1. Using an underpowered USB port. Some TVs supply enough power, others don't. If your streaming device randomly restarts, freezes, or never boots properly, use the original wall power adapter instead of relying on the TV's USB port. Mistake number 2. Poor Wi-Fi signal behind the television. Large TVs contain metal that can partially block wireless signals. If your streaming stick struggles to maintain a connection, try using a short HDMI extension cable. Moving the device just a few inches away from the TV can sometimes improve reception significantly. Mistake number 3. Never updating the software. Manufacturers regularly release updates that improve performance, security, and app compatibility. Keeping everything updated helps prevent many common problems. Many people never think about security when adding smart features to their TV. But streaming devices are still connected to your home network. If your router supports a guest network or an IoT network, consider connecting your streaming device there instead of your primary network. This adds another layer of protection for your computers and personal data. It's a simple step that only takes a minute. So, which option should you choose? If you simply want Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and thousands of apps, buy a streaming stick. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and delivers the best overall experience. If you mainly want to mirror your phone or laptop, choose a wireless HDMI receiver. And if your older TV only has Ethernet, a travel router can bridge your Wi-Fi connection without replacing the television. Whichever method you choose, you can give an old TV a whole new life without spending hundreds of dollars on a new one. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. And if you're unsure which streaming device is right for your TV, leave your TV model number in the comments. I'll do my best to help you choose the best option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.